Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through what Salesforce CRM is and why it's one of the most popular tools used by businesses today. Salesforce CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's a cloud-based platform designed to help companies manage their interactions with customers, clients, and leads all in one place. Instead of using spreadsheets or scattered tools, businesses use Salesforce to organize everything in a single system that is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. At its core, Salesforce helps track customer data, such as contact details, communication history, purchase behavior, and support requests. This allows sales teams to understand their customers better and build stronger relationships. For example, when a sales representative opens a customer profile, they can instantly see past emails, calls, and deals, which makes conversations more personalized and effective. One of the key features of Salesforce CRM is its sales automation. It helps teams manage leads, track opportunities, and automate repetitive tasks like follow-ups and reminders. This not only saves time, but also increases productivity and ensures that no potential deal is missed. Alongside sales, Salesforce also offers tools for customer support, allowing businesses to handle tickets, resolve issues faster, and improve overall customer satisfaction. Another important part of Salesforce is its customization. Companies can tailor the platform according to their specific needs by adding custom fields, workflows, and dashboards. This flexibility makes it suitable for small businesses as well as large enterprises. Plus, Salesforce integrates with many other apps and services, making it even more powerful in a connected business environment. Because it is cloud-based, there's no need to install heavy software, and updates happen automatically. Users can access it from desktops, tablets, or mobile devices, making it convenient for teams working remotely or on the go. Security is also a major focus, with strong measures in place to protect sensitive customer data.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.